Day 2 in Madrid, here we go.
We're Sandra and Håkan. In this vlog we have chocolate for breakfast and we get around Madrid's most known sites by metro.
That's where we're going.
This place has been here for more than 100 years and they serve churros. It's the delicious Spanish way to have breakfast. Opening hours is between 10 and 2 each day, but you need to be here on time or else you be like us in line. To be seated you need to first pay your order. And you can order churros, it's the thin ones, or porras, it's the thick ones. So first pay, and then you will be seated. Oh, we have had churros before in Malaga, but here the chocolate, it's so much better, it's so rich, wow.
Another thing that's a big difference here compared to all the other churros we've had here in Spain is they aren't so greasy. I mean, it's fried dough, so of course it's a little greasy, but it's not that greasy, which makes them so much better in my book. Another cool thing about this place is that the walls are littered with pictures of people who I presume have been here eating churros. And there are all kinds of celebrities, from music artists, football players, and everything in between. A really nice place and well worth waiting in the queue.
Behind me, this massive building, it's Palacio Real de Madrid. 3 things you need to know about it. It's the biggest, largest royal castle in Europe. It has more than 3,000 rooms. And if you want to be here and look around for free, you need to be here from Monday to Thursday after 5 in the afternoon.
This here is the line to get into the palace. That's one long line.
I would also have a fan in my butt if I were to wear that suit on a hot day like this. Just opposite the palace is the Cathedral de la Almudena. It's a huge cathedral and one of the more famous landmarks here in Madrid.
It's a really warm day, so we're just having a break here in the shades of the cathedral.
It's already 2:30 and it's time for lunch. And since we got here to Madrid, we've been eating so much delicious food. And we've watched so many different vlogs recommending special places all over Madrid. So we thought we should do something different. There is a place called Montaditos. It's literally translates to 100 sandwiches. It's more like a Spanish fast food semi-tapas place. So that's where we're going. That's all?
It's the start, but I thought it was like dessert, but it's the start. Montaditos.
That's more like it. Okay, so they have 100 dishes, and they're all €1 each. And the majority are sandwiches. Now we're just gonna figure out which ones are mine and which ones are yours.
There was cheese in it. Fried cheese with strawberry marmalade. And that's the symbol of Madrid. We have explained why in yesterday's vlog. So if you haven't watched that already, make sure to do so after finish this one.
During the days we've been in Madrid, we have gone all over the town and we've traveled exclusively by metro. And it's a really easy way to get around Madrid. All you have to do is buy this card. It costs €2.50 to get the card, and then you can top it off with whatever amount you feel suitable for your needs. The thing is, even if you are like us, 2 persons, you only need 1 card because you can tap it twice every time you go on the metro. And it's also valid on the blue buses. And if you buy 10 tickets valid in zone 1, you are pretty much covered for all the places you need to go inside Madrid. And 10 single journeys is €6.10, I think, so it's really affordable. The metro is really efficient, but the trains are generally very full. But on the plus side, they do have USB chargers on every station. Get it if you're ever in Madrid.
That's it for today, that's it for Madrid.
Tomorrow we're leaving both Madrid, Spain and Europe.
Keep following in our journey, click like, subscribe.
See you in the next one.